Hello guys, Prairie here. Welcome to the channel. So today we have a very exciting question from one of the viewers of the channel. And the viewer was asking about GPT-3. And what they wanted to understand in this question was how powerful and how versatile GPT-3 is. So to be specific, the question they have is on the screen. And they were asking about in one of my previous demos. So I've done a lot of demos around GPT-3. And what they wanted to understand is in one of my demos, it seems like the language model can answer simple questions. And sometimes, before we go, simple can be deceiving. But that said, let's continue. It seems like the language model can answer simple questions, but I've seen SaaS applications or SaaS companies that can generate blog titles, ads, etc. Do you have an idea if they train the model or I'm guessing train the model to answer those specific questions, or does it come with it already? So the gist of the question is they're wondering if GPT-3 has been trained specifically to answer questions about generating blog titles or writing copies or generating ads, or is it something that's more general than that? The model is already trained. It's a trained model. It's a SaaS application, meaning it's a software as a service. You just log in and you use it. You as a user, you don't have to train the model. It's already been trained. You can just call the model and interact with it. Now, that said, there is a concept of prompting, right, where you can prompt the model. You might argue that when you prompt the model, it's almost like training the model, but I would argue that it's not really. So let's say what is a database, right? What is SQL? So that could be my prompt. What is RDBMS? So you can start seeing that there is some relation in there in terms of the context that I want. So what is a table? I need to give it enough prompt. What is a schema? I wanted to keep asking questions. There you go. Right. So you see, I gave it a couple of prompts, and then it picked up that, all right, I'm asking about databases here. Now it starts going to what is a primary key, what is a foreign key, what is a view, what is normalization. Those are in relation to a database. So some people might say, all right, I'm training it, but I cannot see it as a prompt. And I think that that's the term that they use. You're prompting the engine. You're not necessarily training the engine. You're just basically prompting the engine. The training itself, to me, is what happens behind the scenes to actually build that model that we can then use like this. So hopefully this answers the question for the viewer and clarifies things a little bit. You can prompt it when doing blog titles and such, but I wouldn't consider that training. The model itself has been trained in a generalized fashion, and all you can do is just use it. Just use it. And I'm pretty sure they are working on the next version of this. The next version after DaVinci. I don't know what it will be called, but I know it'll be pretty powerful. All right, guys, that said, hopefully this was helpful. This is a very fascinating topic. As you guys know, GPT-3 is a favorite on this channel. So if you have any questions around GPT-3, you want us to make a video about, or you want to leave a comment about, you want something is not clear to you, don't hesitate to let us know. Let me know in the comment section below. I'll see what I can do. Again, this is Fru, Tech with Fru. Thanks for watching. Signing out.